visited the hospital. I've just visited the hospital and met with the uncle of the boy from Kerala who unfortunately lost his life on the weekend, sir. It's a shocking situation, and I have to say that when you have a brilliant student, all the dreams of serving the nation through taking the UPSC exam have been shattered, and the hopes of the family have been shattered, sir. This is a matter which obviously calls for compensation, but no compensation can be enough for the tragic loss of life of a young man cut short in his prime, sir. Now, there are a number of serious issues that need to be addressed, as the previous speaker has pointed out. There is, sadly, a level of violations of basic norms when it comes to building codes, fire safety, flood safety, and so on. That is rampant in the city. The corporation also has responsibility on this. So wait, I have seen in the hands of a journalist a certificate of clearance issued on the 9th of July, sir, by the corporation, allowing these people to do what they're doing, saying they're in compliance. Now, this kind of thing will have to be corrected, sir. At the same time, drains have to be cleaned. They're choked and clogged. Sir, let me just finish. The most important issue, and I say this on behalf of the family also, is to prevent such future tragedies. For this, there has to be a comprehensive inquiry, but there also has to be very specific steps taken to ensure that no other parents coming to our national capital from various parts of the country suffer this kind of loss and tragedies.